If you feel your voice are being unheard, then come and connect with us. We are Latwas.
Influenza is to blame for the recent outbreak of high fever and coughing that has been going around the nation. The Indian Council of Medical Research has confirmed that the virus is of subtype H3N2, which is a subtype of influenza viruses. Compared to other influenza subtypes, H3N2 results in more hospitalization according to the leading health research organization. Through its nationwide network of virus research and diagnostic laboratories, the ICMR keeps a close eye on illness brought on by respiratory viruses. In hospitalized H3N2 patients, the ICMR found that 92% of patients had fever, 86% had a cough, 27% had breathless and 16% had wheezing. In addition, ICMR surveillance revealed that 6% of these patients had sneezed and 16% of them had pneumonia.
If you feel your voice are being unheard, then come and connect with us. We are Latwas.